Okay, we'll cover this up, make it look pretty with some fiberglass. And been trimming out this metal here and getting ready to make a new patch. And we're going to try to do this one a little bit more flush right here. I'm hitting these with this metal prep. Keeps that from rusting. Okay, this piece here, it's quite a mess. I went ahead and got this strip cut right here. Took a chisel and got the spot welds off and got this nice and smooth. We've got a gap going on under here. So I've created these pieces. We're going to spot weld on. I've also went in and created that bend in the vise by hammering that over. And that's going to go underneath that lip there, like this piece, how it folds underneath. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spot weld this onto here in a few spots and get that sitting nice and flush down to the body. And then I think I'm going to cut this whole piece off before I spot weld it down, because we've got some rust going on under here and some decay that I want to fix. So yeah, I'm doing the bends here, getting this piece ready. I'm going to have to create another piece for here and chisel that out when I'm, after I get everything kind of situated how I like it. I've got a piece here I got to fix, and then this side is, needs a lot of work in here. That needs to be all fabricated. So yeah, that's what I'm working on now. Okay, so I got this piece slid under there how I want it. I'm going to make a line to where I'm going to bend it. Okay, I got this piece off. I've been grinding it back down to bare metal. Front and back. Looks like I might need to do a little sandblasting to get some of this rust that's in these corner areas. But I'm getting ready to start doing the repairs on this piece. Okay, I got some good results with that sandblaster. Got inside all these little areas, and I'm going to go ahead and hit it with this rust dissolver just to get in some of these crevices before I start welding. Okay, Jim's got me set up to trim up this inner rocker panel, and I'm going to be drilling some spot welds, drilling some holes for the spot welds in there. And we're going to be putting a new bracket in here, right there. So I've got some work to do here. Yeah, as we can see, there's some rust that I need to get rid of right here. Clean all this area up, and I'm going to chisel this metal off and get this ready. Alright, that rust dissolver is turning that rust black, so going to let that soak in for a while. Alright, I got this all chiseled off, and I'm going to take the grinder and get those spot welds off there. Nice and stripped down with that wire wheel. I'm going to keep on continuing on down, and this area is starting to look pretty good.